Yes, sir. Like from 2022, I'm getting medal. Like I'm a village people, so uh, uh, like no, me and my father look after like every sponsorship. Like we are struggling with my father is struggling with some financial. So like he was like we have to get some sponsorship. We asked so many people for sponsorship, but there's like okay, we look after the documents like that, and there is no response back. From 2022 I was getting medal, but still I'm not getting any sponsorship right now. Even after I'm keeping national record, I was not noticed by like everyone. So I was like, this is not an like what we have to do more. Like I want to compete. I want to get medal in senior Asian. I want to break the barrier in senior federation. Also, I have to like people have to turn around and look after like oh, Abhinaya is a girl is here, so we have to like. I want to like people want to see me like duty chand.
When you see the world sprinters running 10.8, 10.7, or 10.9 or faster internationally, does it feel motivating or intimidating for you?
Yeah, definitely like motivating, sir. Whenever I ran World Championship, like I was so excited to run with that. People's like I was running with an Olympian also in my heat. Like I was so excited. We are running with an Olympian, and they are 11 dead athletes and 11 to 11 on athletes. So like I was so motivated that time. Like we are running with these people, and all. I was so happy to run with this Olympians like that I felt.
How do you handle pressure at national or in international meets? Does it impact your start or execution?
No, sir. When if in every competition I used to run, I used to take it as like fun. This is we have to enjoy this race. I won't make it like full pressure and all. Even if I run with senior also, okay, whatever happens, we have to give our best. Like we have to give our best whatever happens. Take it easy. Run as like enjoy the race and have fun in your race like that. My mindset is like.
What is the one thing Indian athletics need right now to nurture sub 11 sprinters in the women's category?
If we compete with other country peoples also like out of India, we have to go and run with them, so it will be more good for 100 athletes. Like we are competing inside the India, like we have to go other country, like other countries grand prix like that and all. We have to compete with that people also, so it will like it's an like for us it is like improve our time will improve in that if we compete with other people. Like I actually I told before, like if we compete with 10 8 10 9 athletes, 11 dead athletes, definitely our race will improve. So we have to compete with that people also. In world championship I can't run good because of that climate. Like Indians can't run in the climate like that. Like I felt that climate is so cold. We have to get ready for everything, like climate, food, everything. So if we compete in other country also, it will be like experience for us, and it will be a better to we can correct some mistakes. Okay, we can learn from that. Mine is like I have to learn everything. So if I compete in any other countries, any other with country people, so it will be so nice for me and for Indian athletes also, like 100.
You do 100-meter, 200-meter. So, will you stick to the in both the events, or you will do the 400-meter also in the future?
So like now I'm having some health issues, so I can't run 200 also. I have some breathing problems. Like my coach is like working on it. We both are working on for 200 meters also. If I build 200 meters in future, I can run 400. I think.
Now,
Yeah.
you will solely focus on 100-meter.
Yes, sir. Like I get a cough cramp in 200, so this season is like okay. Still, senior federation will focus on 100. Like me and my coach decided like that, like only 100 meters for this season.